Before you deploy proxies at scale, there's one question you must answer. Are they performing exactly as you expect? Let's break down how to check that efficiently and accurately. When a proxy fails, so does your data pipeline, and it's not always obvious. Slow response times, geo mismatches, or silent 403 errors can compromise scraping, analytics, ad verification, and any system that depends on clean, reliable IPs. Checking your proxies up front means you prevent avoidable downtime and preserve data integrity at scale. But what exactly should you check? While it depends on your specific use case, the essentials usually include IP location to make sure the proxy routes your connection through the target region, speed to see how fast the proxy responds to requests, especially under load, status and status code to ensure the proxy is online and returning valid responses, proxy type or protocol to confirm the proxy is compatible with your setup and application stack. So, how do you test proxies? Here are some of the best ways to do it, starting from the most basic checks to more advanced testing. Number 1. Visit an IP checker website. It's the fastest and easiest way to check if the proxy changed your IP and location. So once you connect through a proxy, visit whatismyipaddress.com or any other similar website to find out. If the IP and location displayed on the site don't match yours, your device is now behind the proxy. Number 2. Visit an IP database. For more detailed geodata, connect through the proxy and visit an IP database like IP2Location or IPinfo.io. Along with precise location data, you'll also get information about the internet service provider, proxy type, and whether it's flagged as suspicious or known. Number 3. Use an online proxy checker. IPRoyal's free online proxy checker lets you test entire proxy lists from any service. You can check all types of proxies and find their online status and performance with the click of a button. Here's how to use it. Choose your proxy format. Copy your proxy list into the empty field and click the Begin Test button. You'll see important details about each proxy, including its location, type, status code, and speed, helping you prioritize the fastest, most responsive IPs in the location you need. Number 4. Use curl. Testing proxies with curl is another way to check their functionality and performance from the command line. Here's what you can check and how to do it. Test proxy IP. Use this command to confirm whether your proxy is active. If it shows the proxy's IP instead of your original one, your traffic is successfully routed. Check proxy against the target website. Let's say you want to check it against google.com. You can replace the URL here with any site you want to test. And if the proxy can reach the target, you'll see a response from the site. If not, you'll get an error message that helps you troubleshoot. Test authenticated proxies. Use the U flag and replace username, password here with your actual proxy credentials. Test proxy speed. This command will output timing details. Let me break it down. This suppresses the response body, and this prints only the total time taken for the request. Automating proxy testing. Curl lets you test multiple proxies and automate the process with a simple shell script. The script will help you quickly spot which proxies are online and responsive. Number 5. Use a Proxy Tester software. IPRoyal's free Proxy Tester offers an easy way to run even deeper testing for enterprise-grade operations such as scraping at scale, multi-threaded requests, or distributed workloads. It lets you test entire proxy lists from any type and provider and find out which of them work with your target website with one click. Our easy-to-use tool lets you test an unlimited number of proxies, check proxies against any target URL, detect working proxies, and export them to a ready-to-use text or CSV file. To get started, download and install the free Proxy Tester from our website. Add your target URL, select a proxy protocol or use Auto Detect, and click the Add Proxies button. Then select the desired proxy format, paste your entire proxy list, and click Submit. Click the Test button to launch the full proxy check, and you'll see the type, speed, and connection status of each proxy within seconds. There's no need to manually filter out the ones that don't work. Just click the Export Working Proxies button, and you'll get a clean text file with proxies that are fully functional with your target site all ready to use right away. Checking proxies isn't just good practice, it's essential for maintaining robust, high-availability systems. Whether you run distributed crawlers, ad verification bots, or large scraping frameworks, reliable proxies are your first line of defense against IP blocks and data gaps. If you need proxies engineered to pass these checks, talk to our team at IPRoyal. We'll help you design the best proxy strategy for your architecture so you spend less time debugging and more time scaling.